Hello everyone, welcome back. I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. So today I'll show you how to fix this broken key of an Yamaha 88 keys digital piano. This is a digital grand piano manufactured by Yamaha. So a key is broken, that is broken in the sense it is not fixing back. It raises up above all the keys. It raises above all the keys and it's not getting fixed back. It plays but it's not getting fixed back. So, and these are the weighted keys. This is a YAMAHA digital weighted key grand piano, you can say. So let's try to fix this key. For that we'll have to disassemble it completely. Actually it is having Let's continue with disassembling. I need to remove only the 4 corner key screws which I have fixed. I removed the rest of screws. There are totally 60 screws that need to be removed so as to disassemble the bottom cover. This is the bottom cover which has in logic board, PCB, interfacing board, that is power interface, headphones, etc. output, and 2 speakers. So this is the main thing which we need to operate. So I need to get it disconnected. So I will disconnect it here from two of the connectors. Be gentle in removing the connectors. Just pull them gently. Okay. Now you can keep this aside. Now let's continue with the main part which we are dealing with. These 3 screws here. Actually this is here for using these cables like this. Now we need to remove these screws here. These screws are lengthier in size. Show you which all screws we need to remove. And you can see there was 1 screw here and the other one is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 screws we need to remove from the holder, the key holder we can say, or the assembly, key assembly holder we can say. So I remove the screws. Now I have removed all 8 screws. So now I need to do is remove the key assembly outside from the cover in this way. Now keep this aside. This is for the, this cable is for the power on off volume and grand piano switching key assembly. So we don't have anything to do with this. I'll keep this aside. Okay, now take this one. As you see, this key has come out, so we need to disassemble only this set. This set of keys we need to remove. Okay, we'll remove only this set of keys. And check what's the problem, why this key has come out. After removing these screws, just pull the set this way, pull it out. The whole set will be in your hand this way. No need to clean the grease. As we see, the key which is out of its place is missing a rubber bush here. So we need to fix that rubber bush and push it back. I don't know why the bush has come out, whether it is broken or any such thing. I don't understand. Okay, we will fix it back. This is the rubber support or bush, you can say. Okay. I need to fix it back as other keys have that. Okay, now it is the same like other keys. So let me try to fix it back now. Here you can see a lot of dust. Right, we need to brush, but see, if we wish to, we can clean whole keyboard also, not a problem. But cleaning it should not create any other problems, as it's quite old. Quite an old piano. Actually, someone has lifted it up, so it has bent from here itself. Try to correct it. Okay. Now it's okay. It's straight. I just straightened it from here. Here it had bent a little bit. So now we will fix it back. Place the keys in this way. Push them gently. All the keys are good to go. Now I need to fix the screws back. The 4 screws for this key set. Okay, just the dust a bit here. Okay, now we'll fix it back onto the unit. Okay, take the main unit. Okay, no need to lift the key set, just put the unit in this way. The front part should go below and let it stick. Now lift the unit from here over this part and lift it up, turn it around. Okay, now as you remember from V-roll, you remove these 8 screws, you just fix them. If the screw enters completely into that hole, just remove it from there and fix it down in a place where it feels thread, where it goes half inside and half you need to fasten. Okay, now we will fix it back to the main unit. As here it is a bit weak, I'll cut it a bit and insert it. If this blue color plastic sheet has come out, you just fix it along with the you need it or else some keys will not work. Now get the bottom cover, turn it this way. Okay. Now fix all the screws. Before fixing the screws, we will check where all the keys are working. As you see, the key which we had okay. Now the key which I am not able to identify which key come out. The key which we had come out is been fixed properly. I don't know to play piano, so I am just a beginner in it. So I will sing this one with the glass cleaner. Hope this video was helpful for you in fixing the misaligned key of your Yamaha digital piano. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.